Why do some people seem to effortlessly attract others? Why do they walk into a room and instantly become the center of attention? What if you could unlock that same magnetic charm? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating reasons behind sudden increases in attractiveness and how you can harness these principles to enhance your own appeal. Let's start by talking about the power of self-confidence. Self-confidence is like a secret ingredient that can completely change how you carry yourself. When you're confident, you stand taller, speak more clearly, and move with purpose. This shift in your demeanor doesn't go unnoticed by others. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence because it signals competence, reliability, and strength. But how do you build this confidence? It starts with recognizing your own worth. Take time to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Celebrate your strengths and view your weaknesses as opportunities for growth. As you cultivate a positive self-image, you'll find that your interactions with others become more assured and genuine. This newfound confidence leads us to our next point: positive energy and its impact. Have you heard of the concept of vibrational frequency? It's the idea that everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, vibrates at a certain frequency. When you maintain a positive outlook and radiate good energy, you're essentially operating at a higher frequency. This positive vibration is infectious and can draw people to you like moths to a flame. To cultivate this positive energy, start by practicing gratitude. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the good things in your life, no matter how small. This simple act can shift your perspective and elevate your mood. As you focus on the positive aspects of your life, you'll naturally begin to exude a more optimistic energy. Now let's delve into the world of body language. Your non-verbal cues speak volumes about you, often louder than your words. When you're feeling confident and positive, your body language naturally aligns with these feelings. You make more eye contact, smile more frequently, and maintain an open posture. These subtle changes can make a significant difference in how others perceive you. To improve your body language, start by being mindful of your posture. Stand or sit up straight, keep your shoulders back, and your chin up. This not only makes you appear more confident, but can actually make you feel more self-assured. Practice making eye contact during conversations, but remember to keep it natural. You don't want to stare. A genuine smile is also a powerful tool. It makes you appear approachable and friendly, inviting others to interact with you. While your nonverbal cues are important, don't underestimate the power of being a good listener. Active listening is an art that can significantly boost your attractiveness. When you truly listen to someone, you make them feel valued and important. This creates a positive association with you in their mind, making them more likely to seek out your company in the future. To become a better listener, focus on giving the speaker your full attention. Put away distractions like your phone and maintain eye contact. Show that you're engaged by nodding or making small verbal affirmations. When they're finished speaking, try to paraphrase what they've said to ensure you've understood correctly. This not only helps you retain the information, but also shows the speaker that you were genuinely listening. Closely related to active listening is cultivating a genuine interest in others. When you show authentic curiosity about the people around you, you become more appealing. People love to talk about themselves and their interests. By asking thoughtful questions and showing sincere interest in their responses, you create meaningful connections. To develop this skill, practice asking open-ended questions that encourage detailed responses. Instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" try, "What was the most interesting part of your day?" This invites the person to share more and gives you the opportunity to learn about them. Remember, the goal is not just to ask questions, but to truly care about the answers. As you work on these interpersonal skills, don't forget about personal growth. Continuously improving yourself is incredibly attractive. People are drawn to those who are always learning, evolving, and striving to be better. This doesn't mean you need to completely reinvent yourself every week. Instead, focus on steady, consistent growth in areas that interest you or align with your goals. You might start by setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Perhaps you want to read one book a month, learn a new skill every quarter, or improve your physical fitness. As you work towards these goals, you'll not only gain new knowledge and abilities, but also boost your confidence and self-esteem. This ongoing self-improvement creates an aura of growth and positivity that others find magnetic. While personal growth is important, it's equally crucial to remain authentic. In a world where it's easy to present a curated version of ourselves, especially on social media, true authenticity stands out. Being genuine and true to yourself is incredibly attractive because it's rare and refreshing. Authenticity means being honest about who you are, including your strengths and your flaws. It means staying true to your values and not changing your personality to please others. When you're authentic, you're comfortable in your own skin. And this self-assurance is incredibly appealing to others. To tap into your authentic self, start by identifying your core values. What principles guide your decisions and actions? Once you're clear on these, make an effort to align your behavior with these values. This might mean saying no to things that don't align with your beliefs, or standing up for causes you believe in. As you become more comfortable with your authentic self, you'll find that you naturally attract people who appreciate you for who you truly are. Now let's talk about the power of kindness and compassion. In a world that can often feel cold and indifferent, acts of kindness stand out. When you're consistently kind and compassionate, people are naturally drawn to you. They feel safe and valued in your presence, which makes them want to be around you more. Kindness doesn't have to mean grand gestures. Small acts of consideration can have a big impact. This could be as simple as holding the door for someone, offering a sincere compliment, or helping a colleague with a task. The key is to perform these acts without expecting anything in return. True kindness is selfless and comes from a genuine desire to make others feel good. Compassion goes hand in hand with kindness. It involves empathizing with others and trying to understand their perspective, even when it differs from your own. When you approach interactions with compassion, you create a non-judgmental space where people feel free to be themselves. This ability to make others feel comfortable and accepted is incredibly attractive. As you cultivate these qualities, you'll also want to develop a unique perspective. In a world where it's easy to follow the crowd, having your own thoughts and opinions makes you stand out. People are naturally curious about those who think differently or have interesting viewpoints to share. Developing your unique perspective starts with being curious about the world around you. Read widely, expose yourself to different cultures and ideas, and don't be afraid to question conventional wisdom. Form your own opinions based on your experiences and knowledge, rather than simply accepting what others tell you. When you share your distinctive viewpoint, do so with confidence but also with openness to other perspectives. The goal isn't to prove you're right, but to engage in meaningful dialogue. This ability to share interesting ideas while remaining open to learning from others is incredibly attractive. As we discuss all these ways to increase your attractiveness, it's crucial not to overlook the importance of self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally not only makes you feel better but also increases your appeal to others. When you prioritize your well-being, you radiate health and vitality, which is naturally attractive. Self-care can take many forms. On a physical level, it might involve eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and ensuring you get enough sleep. Mentally, it could mean practicing mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress and improve focus. Emotionally, self-care might involve setting healthy boundaries, seeking therapy if needed, or simply taking time to do activities that bring you joy. Self-care isn't selfish. When you take care of yourself, you're better equipped to care for others and engage positively with the world around you. This balance of self-care and outward focus is incredibly appealing. As you implement these various strategies, you'll likely find yourself building more meaningful connections. While it's great to be generally attractive to many people, the quality of your relationships is more important than the quantity. Deep, meaningful connections not only enrich your life, but also make you more attractive overall. Building these connections requires vulnerability and authenticity. It means being willing to share your true self with others and being open to truly knowing them in return. This depth of connection creates a sense of belonging and mutual understanding that is incredibly fulfilling. To foster these deeper connections, focus on quality time with others. This might mean having in-depth conversations, sharing experiences, or supporting each other through challenges. As you build these stronger relationships, you'll find that your overall attractiveness increases. People are drawn to those who have strong, positive connections with others. The key points we've covered. We've explored how self-confidence can change your demeanor and how others perceive you. We've discussed the impact of positive energy and how it can draw people to you. We've delved into the secrets of body language and the art of active listening. We've talked about cultivating genuine interest in others and the magnetic effect of personal growth. We've also explored the role of authenticity and how being true to yourself can be irresistible. We've discussed how kindness and compassion can enhance your appeal and how developing a unique perspective can make you stand out. We've highlighted the importance of self-care and how it contributes to your overall attractiveness. Finally, we've touched on the power of building meaningful connections and how they can make you more attractive overall. Remember, becoming more attractive isn't about changing who you are at your core. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and letting that shine through in your interactions with others. It's about cultivating positive qualities and energy that naturally draw people to you. As you move forward, consider which of these areas you'd like to focus on first. Perhaps you want to work on building your confidence, or maybe you're interested in becoming a better listener. Choose one or two areas to start with and make small, consistent efforts to improve. Over time, you'll likely find that these efforts compound, leading to a noticeable increase in your overall attractiveness. This isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about uncovering and enhancing the best parts of who you already are. As you implement these strategies, stay true to yourself and your values. The goal is to become a more confident, positive, and authentic version of yourself, someone who naturally attracts others through their energy and presence. As you go about your day, be mindful of how you're showing up in the world. Are you radiating positivity? Are you truly listening to others? Are you being kind and compassionate? Are you taking care of yourself? These small daily choices can add up to significant changes in how others perceive and interact with you. It's also important to remember that attractiveness isn't just about romantic relationships. These principles apply to all areas of life, from professional settings to friendships to family relationships. As you become more attractive in general, you may find that opportunities in various aspects of your life begin to increase. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistent effort to develop new habits and ways of being. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward is a step in the right direction. As you implement these ideas, you may start to notice subtle changes in how people react to you. You might find that people seek out your company more often, or that they seem more engaged when talking to you. You might notice that you're feeling more confident in social situations, or that you're building deeper, more meaningful relationships. These changes may be gradual, but over time they can lead to a significant shift in your life. You may find yourself surrounded by positive, supportive people who appreciate you for who you are. You may discover new opportunities opening up to you, both personally and professionally. Remember, the goal isn't to become attractive to everyone. That's neither possible nor desirable. Instead, focus on becoming the best version of yourself, someone who is confident, authentic, kind, and constantly growing. This version of you will naturally attract the right people and opportunities into your life. As we conclude this video, I encourage you to reflect on what you've learned. Which ideas resonated with you the most? What areas do you feel you could improve in? How might your life change if you consistently applied these principles? Consider keeping a journal to track your progress as you implement these ideas. Note any changes you observe in yourself and in how others interact with you. This can be a powerful motivator and a valuable tool for self-reflection. Remember, the journey to becoming more attractive is really a journey of self-improvement and personal growth. It's about becoming more confident, more authentic, more compassionate, and more engaged with the world around you. As you grow in these areas, you'll likely find that your attractiveness naturally increases. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found these insights valuable and that they inspire you to embark on your own journey of personal growth and increased attractiveness. Remember, you have the power to shape how you show up in the world and how others perceive you. Use this knowledge wisely and watch as your world begins to change in positive and exciting ways.